Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning School. Today we going to learn about continents. Continents are big land masses separated by seas or oceans. Every piece of land on earth is a part of continents. There are 7 continents. We will learn brief about these continents. Asia continents, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, South America and North America and Europe. First we will discuss about Asia continent. Asia is the largest continent of our planet both in size and also when we consider the population. There are 48 countries in Asia. More than 4.6 billion people live on the continent. Longest river Yangtze River is the longest on the Asian continent. It is in China. Mount Everest is the highest mountains is located in the Himalayan mountain. Asia contains world's largest country. Russia is the largest country in Asia and the world's two most populous countries are China and India. Great Wall of China is only man-made structure that can be seen from space. Asia covers one-third of Earth's surface. Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in size and second largest continent in population. Driest place. Sahara in northern Africa is the largest hot desert in the world. Longest river is Nile. The Nile is the longest river in the world and passes through 11 countries. World's hottest place, Ethiopia, is in Africa. The continent terrain was inhabitable and remained unknown for thousands of years, earning it the name of Dark Continent. Equator passes through middle of Dark Continent. It receives direct sunlight throughout the year. More than 50% world's gold and 95% of world's diamond come from mineral rich continent Africa. North America. There are 23 countries in North America. Largest country Canada. The most populous city in North America is Mexico City. Over 20 million people live in the metropolitan area of the capital city of Mexico. North America has 5 time zones and is the only continent with every types of climate. The largest freshwater lake in the world, Lake Superior, is located in this continent. The world's smallest owl, the elf, is found in this continent. South America. South America is the fourth largest continent in size and fifth largest when we consider population. Longest river, Amazon River, 6,437 km per 1000 miles. The Amazon is not only the second longest river in the world after the Nile, but also the Amazon carries more water than the world's other 10 biggest rivers combined. This continent has the world's largest highest waterfalls, the Angel Falls, the highest volcano of world, Mount Cotopaxi and Mount Chimborazo are found in this continent. The largest salt lake in the world is Salar de Uyuni. Antarctica. Antarctica is an ice-covered continent surrounded by a southern ocean. Almost all of the continent's land is covered by a thick layer of ice. On average, the ice is 1.9 km per 6,200 feet deep. Antarctica is the driest continent of the 7 continents. Antarctica is an icy desert with very little rainfall throughout the year. Antarctica is not only the coldest place on earth but also the highest, driest, windiest and emptiest. 75% of world's ice and 75% Earth's fresh water is located in Antarctica. It is also called white continent or frozen continent. There are no time zone in this continent. Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent in size but the third largest in population. The Volga River in Russia is Europe's largest river. It is 3,692 km per 2,295 miles long. Europe is separated from Asia by the Ural Mountain and the Caspian Sea. The highest mountain in this continent is Mount Elbrus, world's smallest country. The Vatican City is in Europe. 3/4 of world's potato grown in Europe. Australia. Australia is an island country in the southern hemisphere and belongs to Oceania, Australia. Australia is surrounded by the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Australia is also the driest inhabited continent of the world. Australia's largest desert is the Great Victoria Basin, which covers most of the Western Australia and South Australia. Australia is the world's smallest continent, is also known as island continent as it is surrounded by water. The official name of Australia is the Commonwealth of Australia. Of all the continents in the world, Australia stands at the top of wool production and import this because sheep population in the world's smallest continent is 14 times that of its human population. The world's largest coral reef, the Great Barrier Reef, is around 200 km long, is in Australia. I hope you find it very interesting learning about 7 continents. Thank you, student. Don't forget to subscribe.